Hi, I'm Brett Brunsvold, the owner of Green Fox Air Quality, and today we're at the library at the City of Lantana, and we're doing a commercial duct clean. Come with us and we'll show you what we're doing. The library was renovated and new ductwork was added in the main part of the library. Existing ductwork is over here on the right side. So over here in the mechanical room, we're doing some ductwork and some cleaning today. So we have a little bit of duct leakage going on the side over here. You can see the mold growing over here on the second air handler. The same thing is going on. You come around right here, you can see some of the mold growth and leakage from the ductwork. So we're gonna cut into these and we're gonna clean these out, HEPA vacuum them, sanitize them, reline the ductwork, and then reseal it up so they're getting better air quality and good, clean, cool air.
So the guys have now cut into the trunk lines, the supply plenum, and what they're doing is they're HEPA vacuuming all the surface mold growth, microbial growth, and inorganic particulate matter accumulation or dust. So we cut in access points so we can get access. It's cut in at an angle so the ductboard will go back. It's retaped up and sealed afterwards so it's hermetic. Over here, Luke is doing the same thing with air handler number 2. He's cut in and now he's HEPA vacuuming. He's wearing his N95 so he doesn't expose himself to any of the airborne particulate matter. See you in the next step.
So what the guys are doing now is they're taking the roto brush, the nylon head roto brush, and they're gonna go in a circular fashion and whip the sides of the ductboard
To disturb what wasn't already removed from the HEPA vacuuming. After that, we're gonna spray sanitize it. We're gonna do it on both sides of the trunks.
So far we have HEPA vacuumed the trunk lines and we have whipped them out. Now we're going to spray sanitize and then we're going to encapsulate with an anti-microbial duct liner. It's going to reline nice and bright white the inside of the duct system, seal up any junctions, and also provide a nice smooth surface, and at the same time kill any microbial growth that is left over. So we just got done encapsulating the inside of the ductwork. Even with PPE, sometimes it gets on us. You can see it relined and white on the inside of the ductwork. In this situation, we could not remove ductwork. We had to clean it and encapsulate it. So it's been encapsulated, and now Justin's over here sealing the ductwork back up. Green Fox out, another duct system cleaned, sanitized, and encapsulated.